Hey, good morning, guys. MC Fire here. Just tapping in with you guys for a Monday, kind of overall recap. It's around 7:39 a.m. and we just kind of want to touch base with you guys as regards to the Qs and Microsoft. Um, Qs approaching highs relatively. So, with the play, kind of the first sign of danger, we went on and took the position back here at 11:18 and have since rolled it kind of near the danger area. Didn't want to be necessarily what they call dick for a tick, and that it has to get exactly up there to 5:15:58. Most of the trading that is conducted typically in the first hour. So as it kind of pushed up to relative highs, very strong pushing here in the on the 2 minute chart and considerable breakout on the will break out of this kind of range here on the 10 minute. It just kind of went almost parabolic and tested the VWAP once and then just kind of kept going. So very nice play panning out in our favor. Also, if you're tracking from the Sunday video, some of that has to do with Microsoft breaking that relative range, uh, taking off to the upside. So we kind of put an alert for Microsoft to break the where it's kind of been trading into the range. It hasn't exactly broken the pivot highs within the range, but it's just something to note that it is showing signs that it could possibly test these highs, these pivot highs. So we'll just be mindful of that. You can get possibly get Microsoft at a discount if that's something that you're looking to do. Traditionally, we would see this as a buying opportunity as it broke the high of the previous week, but just know that it would be lower on the priority of scale because the fact that it is a trending market, not necessarily a rotational market, not necessarily a trending market. So it's not an accelerating market or a declining market. It's more of a rotational market, and that's fine. We just would rather prioritize something that's in an accelerating market if we can. Also, Bitcoin doing pretty good, being at relative highs here. I would say necessarily watch out for some pullbacks into a level that's a little bit more, how can I say, agreeable with its range. What's high can go higher, but having even though saying that, I mean this is pretty extreme. We're looking at 4 ATR in a relatively short time span, so um, if the buying continues, it could, it very well could, but I think it would be a more news catalyst. We are watching this. We did take a little off the table as regards to that, but we'd be looking at to kind of exercise and get back in uh, at a reasonable level. But this is what I'm talking about. People will say buy low, sell high, but when it's high, they have a hard time selling. They're looking to buy. So it's a very unique thing, right? You'll probably see all kinds of people talking about it on the news and all people talking about it on financial media. The result is by the time they get the information, the move has probably already started, already happened, and most of the time you're not getting the update that hey, Bitcoin is looking like a good buy back here. But you're gonna get it from us, right? And a decent plan as well if you want to execute it. Remember, this isn't financial advice either. This is for your education and knowing just how to try to find an edge and working your edge and what we do as a plan for your edge. So, really, the whole basics of trading and learning is what we're here to talk about. A very simple systems, and this is by no means financial advice. But we would say that buying low for something like GBTC, which kind of tracks Bitcoin, not one for one, but it does track it, would be nice to take that at around 45.35 and get a heads up. Well, there it is, with a stop out below 42. And then you can potentially see go all the way up to 53 on these blowout candles and signs of resistance, and then well beyond that. into this blowout candle at 69.77. So it's just one of those things that well into the 3 ATR, you would I think most people would be kind of happy with that. And then we did go ahead and take a couple buys. And then we're kind of unloading up here at the highs, which is kind of what we want to do. We don't know if that's a good decision or not. We do have some still left on the table, but we were kind of buyers down here when the trend changed. So quite a few purchases down as the trend recently changed all the way back at 123, essentially the 23rd of January there, and kind of kept buying through the trend, and now we're looking to offload well into the parabolic 3 ATR range. Uh, Not offload everything, but take some off the table and look for a major pullback into the our moving average wave kind of there. So just something to think about. It still could have a lot more room to grow, right? We don't know what Bitcoin will do. It's remained at 3 ATR for a very long time in its uptrend, and even remaining at sometimes what it seems to be like 4 ATR for a couple of weeks. But we could see some new rotation as moving averages look to catch up. So that's your guys' update. I appreciate you guys joining us for that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, if you like the videos, just let me know. If you don't like them, let me know. It's fine. But we're out here trying to make it shake for you guys. So yeah, hit me up in the comments, and hope to hear from you soon. Have a good day, and goodbye.